To start with our first program, click on this programming icon. You'll see the programming window. Over here, remember one thing, we don't have to write the program name as we usually write in the first block. Instead, we'll start directly with the program. So I'm giving the first code, let's say M3, and a speed of 400 rpm. End of block, and on next line press enter. On next line I'm writing, let's say, end of program. So M you can either write M30 or M2. Okay, and to see the output of the program, press play. So there is a play button, press it. So that's the output of this program. Subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.